on my Lotus we're going to be fitting some new front discs. Okay, so I'm going to get the car jacked up. I've already cracked the wheel bolts off. So this will make light work of these. Okay, next step is to take the brake caliper off. So, just for ease of access, I'm going to remove this. Now, I've already cracked off most bolts to make it a bit easier for the video. This got a massive lip on them, so they're way past there. End of life. Okay, because of the lip, I've had to use a bar to get it off the disc. I'm just going to rest it on top of the suspension arm. Next up is the brake disc retaining bolt. Okay, now to put the caliper and the brake disc back on, first we need to lube up the hub base. It just helps stop the disc binding to the hub. Okay, I'll put the disc on the hub and then put in the retaining bolt. And then we can do the caliper. Now I've already pushed the pads back to make room for the extra thickness of the disc. Now these torque up to 86 newton meters. I'll do that with a torque wrench in a moment. plug behind here, which is the ABS sensor, I think. Now the caliper's on, you can give it a good clean if you want. Now you've got full access to it. You'll notice I've got quite a few grease marks on my disc, so you can use brake cleaner to give them a wipe down. Do both sides, make sure the surfaces are clean, and then once that's done you can lower the car, torque your wheel nuts up, and you're ready to go. So thank you for watching, subscribe if you like the video, and have a nice day.